The spirit, which is leaving its earthly prison, takes with it its most cherished belonging. The most cherished belonging of the spirit is the seed atom, the only part of the physical which cannot die and which it brings back with it at each earth life. The seed atom is most important. This permanent seed atom has been used as a nucleus for a physical body ever since the spirit possessed a physical vehicle. The Bible refers to this seed atom in Revelation chapter 20 verse 12. And we read, "And I saw the dead, small and great, stand before God, and the books were opened. And another book was opened, which is the book of life. And the dead were judged out of those things which were written in the books according to their works." The seed atom is described as books in the Bible. A permanent seed atom does not mean that the physical atom itself is used, but the forces which flow through the seed atom. It is like the information or the records that are on the pen drive. So it is the information in the seed atom that is permanent, that is taken along. Those forces remain with the ego or the spirit through rebirth after rebirth until it has finished its evolution in the physical world. So the information contained in the seed atom is what is always used. Then the forces will be transferred to the seed atom of the vital body, which will become the permanent seed atom of the next period. For now, we have the seed atom in the heart for the physical. When the time is due, the records in the seed atom in the heart will be played into the seed atom of the vital body. That is what we are talking about here. And we show a picture of how this connection is done. The connection is the link between the seed atom and the silver cord. You can see the silver cord over here of the physical body located in the heart and connected to that of the vital body in the solar plexus, and then also connected to the desired body in the liver, and finally connected to the fourth body, which is the mind, in the frontal sinus.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.